welcome to another Angel on the Go video. And we are at Walmart in the clearance section again. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. We're gonna get down to the deals. All right, the first one we found is this Essential Performance, and this is a King Cow King, right here. Okay, King Cow King. This is a king size sheet set. Look at that, you guys. And it's gray. This is a nice set. We actually been keeping an eye on these. We just scanned these last week and they were $69. It says it was, God, these things were almost $100. All right, so you guys, it says the regular price $98.88. It went down to $69. Again, we're in the clearance section. And last week we scanned these, they were 69 bucks, but this week they went down a little. All right, so you gonna scan it?
Oh yeah.
All right, so we're gonna scan. And wait, what?
No way.
Wait a minute. Wait, what size is this? This is queen.
Oh, you know I'm taking that queen.
Okay, hold on, you guys. Let's scan. We're gonna get back to the queen. Hold on, cause Manny got me tripping. Scan this one. This is the king size, you guys. And I just scanned it earlier. All right, so the king size is going for $37.95. Essential Performance sheet set. Look at this. And let me show you again the regular price. It went from about 100 bucks, $98.88 to $69 to $37. So again, that is the King, California King. All right, you guys, this is the same thing as I showed you before, but it's the queen size. So this is a queen sheet set, and the packaging is great. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around and show you the UPC, and my husband's gonna scan. Look at this, $16, 16. So you guys remember, if you see the queen size, it's gonna be $16. And let me turn it back around. Look at the regular price. It was $88.98. What percentage is that?
22,
Come on, do that math.
Like 80%. So
About 80%, you guys. So it went from $88.98 to $64 to only $16. I'm about to say 16 cents. $16, you guys. Look at that. And this is a whole set. So we got that. So we actually got a few, but we're actually gonna wait until they go down even more, right? Or are you gonna get them?
I'm checking now.
All right, we're thinking about it. All right, you wanna show them what else we got?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Now, this
Here,
is
you go ahead and
amazing.
explain this one.
So this, right off the top, My Pillow. So I'm sure everybody knows this brand right now.
My Pillow. He has the softest pillows, you guys. The
So-
travel pillows, right?
Yeah, the travel pillow is the bigger one. But this is a My Pillow dog bed. So for those of you who are dog lovers and you love your dog and you like them to be comfortable,
Come to
you
us.
can get them a My Pillow. Come to us first.
Come to Angel on the Go. We'll sell you one.
If you cannot find one in your area, we will absolutely sell it.
All right, you guys. So this one again is My Pillow. There's the guy who makes them. This is a medium dog bed, and it says now your dog can enjoy the comfort of their very own My Pillow dog bed. Now we need a dog.
We do actually need one.
Yeah. If you guys are selling a dog, let us know, because our daughter has been asking for a dog for the past year. And due to COVID, these animal places that we went to are trying to charge us like $5,000 for a dog. All right, so it helps keep your dog cool and comfortable. I can't even read right. Look at this. It has a 10-year warranty. That's good. So how do you get the warranty?
I don't know. Probably instructions inside. Probably just got to write to them or have your receipt or whatever.
All right, so if you buy this from Angel on the Go, you get a 10-year warranty, and your pet will love this pillow. How big is this pillow? Oh, okay. There's a size right here, 24 by 36. And let me show you what it looks like. This is the front side, and this is the back side.
It's 3 inches thick. So.
Okay, 3 inches thick. Here's the UPC. And if you guys take a look at this, you guys can see the regular price is $39.88. So about $40. And it says it's on sale here for $27.90. But we're gonna go ahead and scan it because you guys know that we are not paying no $27.90. Ready?
Ever.
All right, get ready for this one, you guys. Look at that. Boom. $8.35. $8.35.
You can't beat that at all.
You can't beat it.
If you got a dog and you would like them to be comfortable, $8 is gonna get you a My Pillow for your dog.
And we're gonna give you a little clue. We have a few of them in our cart and we don't have a dog. So that's the clue. That's the clue that we're giving you guys.
You're such a jabber.
All right, there's one more item we found, you guys. All right, can you hold that? All right, this is the, what is that, Ease eggs?
Easy eggs.
Easy?
Yeah.
What, is that a cute spelling of it?
Yeah, you don't see how fancy and...
Oh man, I hope they don't be like, she can't read. All right, we're gonna say Easy eggs, but to me it says Ease eggs. This one removes shells from the hard-boiled eggs as seen on TV. And didn't we show them this in a prior video? I think we did.
I want to say so.
I think we showed, we've been doing so many videos. We think that we did.
No, we did, because remember I was gonna not keep it and then I was gonna
No, that
keep
was the
it
other
in
one. No, that was the other one. But I think we did this one before. This one peels, it says peels up to 3 eggs in under 10 seconds. I believe we showed you this one before.
Yeah, we did.
But the price that we got it at in the old video was like $2.65, something like that. But again, it's as seen on TV. And right here, you shake and peel. Shake, shake, shake. And look, it peels the eggs. So, yeah, I remember this one. Okay, so again, if you guys remember that video, if not, go back to our old videos and see how much we actually paid for a bunch of these. I think it was like $2 or $3, but it's even cheaper. Regular price is $9.88. Sale price says $6.95. And let me show you the UPC. And we're gonna scan it. You guys are not gonna believe this price. All right, drum roll. Drum roll.
I'm about to put this in.
Ready? Oh wait, it didn't work. It didn't work. Come on, get your phone together. Come on.
You didn't drum roll, that's why.
Drum roll.
Oh my. That's not like you're practicing your Spanish R's or something.
All right, look at this, you guys. Boom, $1.75. Oh, sorry, it's blurry. Okay, right there. I hope you guys can see it, but it's $1.75. You cannot beat that price. I'm mad we paid about $2 or $3, but that's still a good price. And these again are only $1.75. We got a few of them down here. I think we got about 4 or 5. So that's a good price.
So the first one to go to the old video and tell me the exact price, I will send you one of these.
What?
Yeah. First one, you gotta watch the old video, tell me the exact price, because I don't remember. I'm gonna have to go back and check. First one to comment in this video what we paid in the last video will get one of these on Angel on the Go.
That's a good idea. And it's super light, so it's not gonna cost us a lot in shipping. All right, so again, you guys have to watch the old video that this product was in. Let us know how much we paid in the old video and comment below on this video. And the first person that makes the comment, we're gonna go ahead and send you guys one of these for free.
You gotta have the right price though. Don't give me the wrong price and say I was first.
Yeah, it has to be the right price. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this short video. We found a couple of finds. Again, we found the My Pillow medium dog bed. We found some sheets, and we found I'm gonna still call it Ease eggs, but Manny calls it Easy eggs. So you guys let us know in the comments what you guys think the name of this one is. And make sure you guys subscribe, like, and click on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.